Okay, so like any other Ghanaian, I've always dreamt of having a place I call my own. And so my wife and I decided to embark on the project. We did it for several years, but very difficult to complete. And so we decided to approach a mortgage company to take what we call a home completion loan. And we took just around $45,000 to complete that. We did that. That's the latter part of 2019 and started doing the payments in March of 2020. From 2020, but mind you, the interest rate on the dollar-denominated loan was 12.5%. And so initial monthly repayments were $562.41. That translated to about 3,000 cedis, specifically 3,092 cedis in March of 2020. We went gradually to 3,300 by the end of that year, 2020. The following year, we started at 3,300, ended 2021 about 3,400, and it was very comfortable. It was okay until 2022, and even with that, in the beginning, it was okay. It was quite manageable. We're paying around 3,600. Then, by some part in the second quarter, heading towards the half year, the rates started appreciating. Actually, the cedi depreciating, and so the dollar, which you're supposed to pay in, started appreciating. We paid in May 4,400. In June, about 1,000 came up, shot up to 5,300. As if that was not enough, in August, the mortgage company sent us messages that because LIBOR had gone up, LIBOR is the rate, the indicative rate of borrowing out there in the West. And so because LIBOR had gone up, my interest rate was also going up accordingly. So we went from 12.5% to 13.3%. That shot my monthly repayment to about $604.72. And in August, I paid 5,926. That's with my new interest rate and my new monthly payment. September, it shoots to 6,077 cedis. So I started off at 3,093 cedis, and in September, that's with an exchange rate of 10.05. I was paying 6,077 cedis, 43 pesos. Now, this is at 10.05. October, we have a few days end October. I'm supposed to do that monthly payment. I'm sure I'm going to be paying excess of 7,000 cedis. All these payments obviously come from my salary. Salary hasn't increased. It has remained the same from when I started this mortgage payment. Disposable income is actually coming down the shrinking because cost of living is going up. And so everything around you is also going up in terms of pricing. And you must make sure that these are some necessities are there that you can't do without. Some fixed costs are there that you really can't do without. And so disposable income is shrinking seriously. It's getting to a point where this is not sustainable. It is just not sustainable. For the past few months, I've approached this company to sit down with them so we try and restructure this. Tell them my story, see how best they can help me so I can also be a client that will continue paying because I don't want default. I'm in the financial sector myself, and default is not the way to go. It doesn't just my benefit,